Hi, this is Stephanie coming to you from Treasure Find Jewelers in Palaca in the public shopping plaza. I'm here today to introduce you to our jeweler.
Hello, I'm Mark Vinson. I'm the jeweler at Treasures Fine Jewelers. I've been at the bench for over 40 years. Went to school at Oklahoma State University, um, taken several Gemological Institute of America courses, including diamonds and gem identification. Been in the jewelry business since 1976, and I'm currently the jeweler here at Treasures Fine Jewelers. We have a very friendly and professional staff that would love to meet you the next time that you need any kind of repair, light custom work, or restoration, which is kind of my specialty. Come by and see us. We'd love to have you in our store. Thank you.
Thanks, Mark. So, some of the repairs that we offer here in store are ring sizing. We go up or down on gold, platinum, or silver. We do chain solders, class replacements. We do shanks, like if you have an old worn out ring, we can do a shank on the bottom. We do rhodium plating, cleaning, and polishing. And we also, like, if you have like an old ring with a missing stone or just one of your diamonds popped out, we replace all of that too. We do prongs, retipping, and rebuilding. So you can come in and get any of those repair needs. Now we're going to show you, Mark, sizing a ring.
What we're doing here is sizing a ring up one size, taking the torch right now and fire coating the ring, and then with boric acid and alcohol. And then we're going to weld the piece into place on both sides of the piece that's going in. Removing the ring and cooling it. It has to air cool before it can be put in the acid solution. Checking for size on the ring mantle to make sure we have the correct size. Putting the ring into an acid bath to remove the boric acid and alcohol. Using the flexible shaft with the sanding disc, we're going to shape the piece that we put into the ring to where it blends to the shank as close as possible. And then I'll use a sanding stick to square the shank with the piece that we put in. Using the flex shaft, we're going to sand the inside of the ring and blend the piece to the two sides to the inside of the ring. Then we will use a rubber pumice wheel to remove the scratches left behind from the sanding drum. Then we take it to the polishing machine and polish all of the remaining scratches off the ring. Put it in the ultrasonic cleaner and get it antiseptic clean. Then we'll go to the steam machine and rinse the ultrasonic fluid off, and then use the steam machine to do our final cleaning on the piece. And then here's the finished product, and sized and ready to go.
So you just seen that process of sizing a ring. So if you have any jewelry repairs that need to be done, just come in and see me here at Treasure Fine Jewelers in the Public Shopping Plaza in Palaco, Florida. Thank you.